Hello everyone. This week we are in the first trimester, or first week of trimester 3, so we have about 3 months to go. We have a short week. We weren't here yesterday, so and we won't be here on Friday because the teachers have another conference. We're going to go to the Religious Ed conference, so we're going to be practicing all things St. Patrick's Day, leprechauns, and rhyming. I have a new and exciting way to share pictures with you. I tend to take a lot of the kids and then don't do them. So I saw this app. It's called Seesaw, and you'll receive a paper copy in your kids' homework folder today. And it basically tells you the way to log in, and you can see things that they've been working on. Some kids have their letters and their numbers, so you can see where they are, and it's just going to be a good way for me to show you what's going on in the classroom. You can follow directions to log in and let me know if you have any questions. In the family envelope, it said that our STAR reports have gone home for kindergarten. I have them. They're in the green data folders that you'll get next Wednesday when the report cards are published on School Speak. So that way you kind of have a frame of reference when you're looking at the report cards and their work, because in kindergarten it's nice to see what they've done and kind of compare. For Lent, we're practicing almsgiving, so you can bring in pop tabs, the top of soda cans. That'll go to the Ronald McDonald House, as well as Student Council is doing a diaper drive for all grades. So if you want to bring in diapers, we'll donate those to the same charity that we did before during Advent. Spring event basket. So those items are due this Thursday, so that way the room parents have time to put the camping basket together. There's 2 more items, so you'll see the fold-up wagon and camping utensil set. So if you haven't signed up for something, please make sure that you pick one of those items. And this Thursday, because St. Patrick's Day is on Saturday, we are going to be doing a leprechaun hunt with a gingerbread man, and the leprechaun is going to leave us popcorn and chocolate coins. So if you have, or you want to buy something for the class, and you would love to donate gold chocolate coins, that would be fantastic. That is what they're going to get in the pot of gold. And again, we didn't have homework, or we didn't have school on Monday, and we won't have school this Friday. So in religion, we're practicing almsgiving, fasting, Lent, prayer. We're talking about saints and St. Patrick and his life. We are also Super Kids. We just finished Meet the Super Kids, so we'll be doing some assessments there, and we'll start Super Kids Club next week, so that all the Super Kids, we've met them now, and what are they going to do? So they'll start to read books that are challenging as well as on level, or if they need to work on some skills, there's a new library set that we'll be using. We're still talking about Dr. Seuss. In math, we are finishing the middle of the year assessments, and we're working on March math journals now. And in science, we are going to talk about how rainbows are created, as well as build leprechaun traps. So that will be a little fun STEM activity. Finally, the sign-ups are on the cart. I'm so sorry that I never printed them out. It just was one of those things on the to-do list that didn't get done. Easter is coming up. We are going to have an Easter egg hunt. Previous classes have donated plastic eggs, so I'm going to have to get those down. But if you would like to donate jelly beans, Skittles, chocolate coins, and clear contact paper for some of our March activities, that would be fantastic. Our 8th grade buddies are going to come hide the eggs for us, so that they kind of feel like they're doing something for the kindergartners. And then we're going to sort the jelly beans by color. We're going to sort them and graph them. So that'll be a little fun math Easter activity as well. But we need a lot of jelly beans. So if you do not mind going and getting some, that would be fantastic. Just quickly, I'm going to show you the Seesaw login. So you're going to get a paper that looks like this. This is Zoe. So you can download the Seesaw app on your phone, create a family account, and scan this code. It'll be already built in, and then you'll create your account. You can also do it from your computer, and it says that your child will post Seesaw to share their learning with you. Teachers will also send messages, so I can send that. It's private. Only you see what your child posts, so you're not going to see another kid's. You're only going to see what I have kind of put on there. And it'll give you information. You can also add, it could be both you, your husband, you and your wife. There can be multiple people logged on to your child's account. And if you look at it, it's great because it has all this information, but you can see in Seesaw different pictures and kind of things that the kids are working on, their letters. So that is what we are, just another way to show you all the things that they're learning. So if you have any questions, let me know, and have a good week.